got today. We pre-ordered this. So we're gonna unbox it and then tomorrow do running video. Are we going to the beach?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yep.
Very early in the morning to meet everybody. Okay, here we go. Obviously it's the Notorious.
An outcast.
Yeah.
With a better body.
Oh, I love that smell. Brand new RC. Wow. Look, there's connectors and stuff inside.
Oh, it's got some adapters.
Speed gear, metal speed gear. Look at all these extra things. That's awesome. Look.
Yeah, it's got some adapters of some sort.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
I like extras. Wow, this thing is huge, Mark.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it's attached on one side. Do you want me to get the little things to... Oh no, it's only the one side. You can pop the one side off. Both sides will come off. It's just, I guess it's holding your controller in there, I think. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Pull your other wheel out.
Good enough. Look at this paint. Yeah, it's just holding the controller.
Yeah. Just a regular tactic.
What, the controller? But I can
Yeah.
get a...
Well, you can just get a Spectrum receiver for it and we'll end up running your Spectrum. You can AVIC it if you want. You already have the AVIC receiver.
That's kind of nice.
If you actually want to switch it to the AVIC right away, we can. That's a nice looking truck.
Don't just bash, blast. Like, I love this body.
That's pretty nice. How's the chassis underneath? Is it steel? Like the... Yeah, it's steel. Look at that. Like a Losi
It's very
chassis.
heavy. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to carry that over to the park.
I'll carry them.
I'll have to walk it, like,
I'll carry
drive
them.
over.
I like how the body pins are attached to the body like that too. Hey? That's a plus too. Oh, I was moving away for a minute. I'm not even looking. I'm not looking through the camera at the truck. I'm just looking at the truck. So I was moving. The camera just went over there for a few seconds there.
I'll edit it.
Look at that. Look how it's protected in there. I love that. But yet exposed.
Don't just bash, blast.
I love how it's protected in there like that. Look how short and stubby it is. Actually, the Revo's kind of short and stubby too.
I like how it comes up.
Yeah, I know. It's really protected.
It's really, like,
the electronics.
The dust and the dirt and the nastiness.
Look at all the aluminum too. Like the aluminum shocks. Aluminum.
Look at the plate.
I know. There's a lot of aluminum on it. That's a nice truck. I'm looking again over the top
Even
of the
the
damn
wiring.
thing.
The wiring, look at how thick it is. It's protected. This is beautiful.
No, that's a nice truck.
Yeah. This is
It's
my
like
8 scale.
Yeah. To add to go along with your other 8
This is
scales.
number 11.
But this is an actual electric 8 scale. Every 8 scale you have is gas.
Well, I only have one. My Savage.
Yeah, true.
You're
Well,
the
we have
one
a
that has
few.
more.
Yeah.
I have 11 vehicles now, out of our 20-something.
Yeah.
You think that I like RCs? Look at this thing.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I want to see that battery configuration and see what kind of batteries I can fit in there. So I can stack them too. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how that lifts. So yeah, I can stack them.
That's convenient.
For you.
This is really nice. Really nice. I love these tires.